The truck that survived being dropped from a building, drowned in the ocean, and set on fire is now powered by batteries. This is the 2026 Toyota Hilux Electric, and it might be the biggest gamble Toyota has ever made. For over 50 years, the Hilux built its reputation on one thing: diesel, powered indestructibility, 27 million units sold. Trusted by farmers, miners, and yes, people who mount heavy things in the bed. So, when Toyota announced the first fully electric Hilux, the question wasn't whether it could be done, it was whether it should. Walking around this truck at Brussels, one thing becomes immediately clear. Toyota didn't just slap batteries into the old Hilux, this is a complete redesign. The new Cyber Sumo styling gives it a stance that looks like it's about to tackle you. Slim headlights, flat surfaces, that signature Toyota lettering across the grille bar. Except on this version, there is no grille, because there's no engine to cool. Pop the frunk, and you're looking at storage space where a 2.8-liter diesel used to live. Inside, the cabin shares DNA with the new Land Cruiser. Dual 12.3-inch screens sit on a clean horizontal dash. Physical buttons remain for the important stuff: climate, off-road modes, all-wheel drive settings. Toyota knows who buys this truck. You don't want to swipe through menus when you're covered in mud. The multi-terrain select system has been completely re-engineered for electric power, adjusting torque and braking across different surfaces. Range sits at 257 kilometers combined. In the city, that stretches to 380. Yes, it's less than some passenger EVs. But Toyota isn't targeting road trippers. This is built for fleet operators, urban construction sites, and anyone who returns to a charger every night. Underneath sits a 59.2 kilowatt-hour battery pack mounted between the chassis rails. Two electric motors deliver permanent all-wheel drive, 193 horsepower combined, 473 newton-meters of instant torque. That's 198 newton-meters from the rear motor alone, ready the moment your foot touches the pedal. And here's what matters for Hilux loyalists. The body-on-frame construction stays. Ground clearance remains at 212 millimeters. Weighting depth is still 700 millimeters. Toyota built an electric truck that can still swim. Payload hits 715 kilograms. Towing maxes out at 1,600 kilograms. Less than the diesel? Absolutely. Still enough to handle serious work? Yes. Pricing hasn't been confirmed, but expect figures around £60,000 when it arrives in April. The Hilux that survived everything now runs on electrons. Whether it survives the market is the real test. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.